Well, Maud McLeod, thank you for your songs of praise. I'm telling you, if somebody told me that this choir that I'm looking at is singing those songs of praise, I wouldn't believe them. Because if you are members of a chosen generation and you are praising the Most High God, you should really be happy and tearing down the place, right? I think also what added to it, the song was too low, so they keep singing low, so it gives a little depressing sound to it, you know. But you chose a nice medley, but you could have done a lot of things with it and gotten it up. We are praising, and it needs to be lively, and the students need to show that. Dennis.
Maud McLeod, I'm happy to see you, but it seems as if you weren't happy to see Michael. You're pretty sad right throughout. I'm not sure what was wrong. I'm not sure if you're nervous or what. And I'm hoping that between the judges and the public, they will vote and you'll come back next time.
Dennis, please take my name out of your mouth and anything you write. Maud McLeod, I really wish you would have given more with this. Cause I mean, even on your face, because not one of them are ugly up there, not one. And you can show the happiness and the praise more, right? So hopefully next time you step it up.